Hi, this is Benny with Pierre Driving School. This is Benny with Pierre Driving School. Today we cover driving school on Newport Street, Brooklyn, New York. Hi, we here at Pierre Driving School. We cover most of the Brooklyn area. Many students asking us to do lesson on the area. This one is on Newport Street, Brooklyn, New York. Driving school on Newport Street, Brooklyn, New York. Newport Street, Brooklyn, New York. Driving lesson. All right. So we're gonna go straight here. Hi, my name is Ben with Pierre Driving School. If you're new here, it's your first time on the channel, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And this channel, we are all in about driving. Any question, thought, or concern that you have, put in the comment below, as that's where we have most of our video topic coming from the question you guys are asking. All right, so we're gonna do our left and rights and observation. If I do miss something that I didn't see, as you guys seen them, you can put them in the comment below, so next time I can make sure that I cover that. I've always said, as I'm driving, there's a lot of things to pay attention with. I try as best as I can to grab as much as I can grab and share those with you to know what our do's, what our do and don't. Okay, so we're gonna do our left and right. On this channel, we post it 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. And every morning on our first lesson, we answered questions you guys asking. All right. Double park on the left here. We good on the right, so we don't have to do anything. Good. Both hands on this steering wheel at all the time. All right, for the purpose of road test. In real life, anyway, you got a better grip on both hands on the steering wheel while you're driving. We see a car double park on the right side. We're gonna signal our attention to the left. We do not drive on traffic for the purpose of the road test, okay? The traffic that coming to my left have to be clear for me to go around. Road test tips. In real life, we do whatever we want. Mirror left, shoulder left, and bring the car over. But for the road test, you do not drive on traffic if it's on your block. Same way back in. If it's on your block, to make sure that I say it straight. If it's not on your block, you don't have to worry about it. You got enough room to go. Reason why, you're gonna be coming, you don't wanna be put the traffic coming at you in the arm's way. You cannot drive onto traffic while you're doing your road test. Traffic has to be clear, then we go on when clear. Real life, it's your call from there. All right. The light is in my favor. I'm gonna continue to go. Newport Street, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas that we cover here at Pierre Driving School. If you want us to cover something in particular, let us know in the comment below, all right? We do have a few observations, do's and the don't, and the thing that most likely we're supposed to be looking out for as we're doing the road test. All the way stop sign, we're gonna make a single stop where we're visible, all the way up where we're visible, first come, first serve. We continue to go, okay? Some student asking when we're doing lesson with them, they tell them they come to the stop sign and do 1, 2, 3, go. No, 1, 2, 3, go mean nothing. You can go 1 to 1,000. Okay, we have the right of way. You can do 1 to 1,000, mean nothing. You have to observe to see if it's clear. After observance, you see it's clear, then you proceed. Not 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go doesn't cut it. Road coming to a loop, there is no need to accelerate. We just verify, make sure that we're clear. We here first, then we go. You guys notice? We here first, we go. Not 1, 2, 3, go. We get another one coming up. always stop sign. The corner here, right turn. If you need help mastering all this lesson right and you're in the New York area, check out pierredriving.com. We can definitely assist you, help you to get your the skill that you need and the thing that they offer you to do. When you're doing your road test, you can deliver with confidence. Okay, we are all in this channel about driving. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. This lesson today is on Newport Street, Brooklyn, New York. One of the area here we cover at Pierre Driving School. Speed bump, no rush. Right turn at the light. All right, shoulder right, then we go. Cuttable park on the right, we're gonna signal our attention to go over. Come back in the same way we went out. Light coming up, right turn. I mean, at the corner, right turn. Right shoulder right. Right turn at the light. Right shoulder right. Pull over to the right. Mirror right. Shoulder right. Yeah, folks, there you have it. This lesson was on Newport Street, Brooklyn, New York. One of the area here. Take a let's right here. Push into parking. Make sure that your car is into parking before take your foot off of the brake. All right. Do not let the car rolling while you have your hands on the. Do not let the car rolling while you have your hands on the gear, on the transmission. Try to put into parking. The examiner will have a problem with you for driving with one hand. We've seen it in numerous occasions. Shouldn't done that. Make sure both hands are on the steering wheel. Car to come to a complete stop. Take your hands off of the steering wheel. Push into parking. That is the formal and best way for you to do it as it relates to road test. All right, folks, there you have it. This lesson was on Newport Street, Brooklyn, New York. Anything you guys want me to cover in particular, put it in the comment below. As in this channel here, we are all in about driving. Until then, keep practicing. If you're new here, consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You'll be the first one to be notified when the next lesson drop. Until then, Take care now, folks. Bye-bye. This has been here. Take care.